ponies run. Well, Leadfoot, carrying a heavy load. Well, don't you step out in the way, he's racing down the road. I say, hey now, slow that old thing down. This ain't your highway, you're tearing up my town. Now Leadfoot, racing from the sun. Out of 502 and it don't spell, he's letting the ponies run. Just when I realized I never even knew his name. Let's call him Leadfoot, racing from the sun. Out of 502 and it don't spell, he's letting the ponies run.